Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Been getting a lot of questions about setting up 3D printed bodies with the proper wheelbase. So I thought I'd show you on the OBS bodies from myself that are on Cults if you need. So what I would do first is I would bring in the three main parts if you don't have the full body, which I didn't upload. I figured this was good enough. And I'd take them and I'd slide them together like so, something like right there. Maybe I'll make sure they're just right in just a second. So that one needs to come in some more. We got this one, which will move over this way, and we'll move her back until we get her just about where we want it. Then I'll flip it and have a look, see what I think. Line it up a little bit more. That's pretty close. Now we'll go here and we'll line this up a bit more roughly. Give it a little bit of space because it's 3D print. And that looks good. So what I would do at that point, now that I got the body all sitting together, let me look and see if it's kind of symmetrical. Yeah, it's good. So then I would press Shift and I would just kind of highlight everything here, merge. That's all I would do there. And now the body's connected in one piece like this. Pretty simple. Then I want to know what the wheelbase is. So I would go to my ruler up here. Top setting there. You'll see a little ruler and bamboo slicer. Now your slicer, whatever it is, I'm not sure what you're using, but I use bamboo slicer. And then I would go here and I would put my mark as close as I can to where I want it. And it's basically, oh, I pressed the wrong one, just a second here. So I'll go here, then I'll go measuring tool. Not sure what happened there, guys. Sometimes I select the wrong measuring tool, but that's all right. I'm not going to bother cutting that out because what's the point? You guys make mistakes too. All right, so we'll go right there to right here, roughly. And it says it's 354. That's what it says. If you can see that, 354. So what I would do at that point, guys, is I would go here. Sometimes I would edit it there, but the simplest way is to go here. You press S on your keyboard. Right, so we'll press 150. Makes it huge. You guys can visibly see now that it's a lot bigger. And so what you do at this point, click on it, press scale, make sure it's what you want. Go over here, click on it again, press the ruler, and this is how I would adjust wheelbases. I would set this until I had it right where I wanted it. So wheelbase on this now is going to be absolutely insane. But basically what you want to do, guys, is join it so it's all one piece, and then you can measure it. So now it's at like something insane, 527. We'll scale it small again. Here, let's go down to, for those guys that want to do the minis, we'll do it at 30%. There you go. Well, maybe they'd be bigger than that. Let's see, 50%. So there you go. You might be able to do a 18 scale or something like that now. Again, measure it. Just keep adjusting it until you get it where you want it, guys. I don't want to drag this video out too long. So basically the steps are, bring the 3 files in that you need, or 4, whatever it may be. Merge them. Then scale them how you want. That'll give you your proper wheelbase, guys, and thanks for watching. I'll do many other little clips and vids, and keep an eye on my shorts too, and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and go over and check out my Facebook and get following there as well. Thanks again, guys. Have a good day.